Hi everyone, today I will show you how you can both get and also use Google Drive. First off, what is Google Drive and why would you ever want to use it? Google Drive is a cloud storage provider. It is available for use both on Android, iPhones and PCs. If you have ever used something like iPhone Cloud, Microsoft OneDrive, this is the Google version of it. With Google Drive, you can save on Drive, and that's basically Google server. Google keeps your files in data centers all over the world, but you might still be wondering, why would I ever want to use Google Drive? Well, there are many benefits to storing files in Google Drive. First off, your files are backed up. You can access your files wherever you are on internet. You can work with others on that drive with sharing the link or emailing it to them. Let's see how we can start taking advantages of Google Drive on PC. Access Google Drive in your browser by going to drive.google.com. To upload files, click the new button on the top left of the screen and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. So once your files are ready, you can use the new button to create new files. You can create different type of files such as documents, spreadsheets, presentation. Choose the type of file you want by drop down there. Give the file name by renaming it here. Any changes you make to the file in the future will automatically save on your drive. You can organize your file by using the Create folder. To create a new folder, click the new button and then folder, name your folder. So add files to the folders by simply dragging and dropping files. Then lastly, to share your files, you can simply right click on it, then press share. You can copy the link directly or you email it to your partner by the share button. Then enter the email of your partner, and then once that is done, you can click on the done button. It will send the documents to the email. You can choose to add your comments to the file, then press send.